Imagine darkness pierced by natural light. Fireflies dance in the forest, and ocean waves glitter with living sparks. This is bioluminescence, nature's own light display that enchants and calms us deeply. In this video, we explore these stunning wonders found globally. Bioluminescence not only sparks a childlike wonder, but serves as a reminder of peaceful coexistence with our natural sphere. Discover how observing these natural illuminations can be a form of meditation, invigorating your spirit and offering solace. Uncover these hidden gems of night excursions and let magic meet mindfulness in your own backyard or travel plans. Embrace nature's night as you enthrall your senses with this one-of-a-kind luminous serenity.